Hey, Tim Reset here, doing another Fibonacci video tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Fibonacci extensions. And the way I draw these, rather, let's begin with when to draw them. And you use a Fibonacci extension when we've traded through a negative 23% target. Typically what will happen is the market will start to move fairly rapidly, either to the downside or to the upside. We'll start trading through the negative 23% targets down to the negative 61.8 targets. And that's the key to, or that's the signal to start using extensions. And so the way I will draw an extension, as opposed to a traditional drawing from the high to low, or if you were looking at a long from lows to highs, an extension is drawn from lows to lows, or in the case of longs, highs to highs. So the setup we have here, traded up to the 50%, sold off, sold through the negative 23% target, down to 61.8. So instead of drawing from highs to lows, I'll start drawing from lows to lows. And I'll go ahead and remove that initial drawing. And what we have then is a series of extensions that begin to form. And the way that I will continue to draw the extensions is to use the same anchor to new lows, and then yet again, same anchor to new lows. And that gives us a series of extensions. Now, oftentimes it can be a little bit difficult to get into an extension. I rarely take the first extension because you don't know what the anchor point is going to be always until the first extension identifies itself. So what will usually happen is we're trading in a traditional from lows to highs or highs to lows. We break out and advance through the negative 23% target, and it's at that point where I'll draw from lows to lows or highs to highs. And once the first extension is identified, I'll use that same anchor to new lows or same anchor to new highs for the long, and take that setup in the direction of the current trend. And so extensions can be a little bit tricky at times, but take them as a sign that the market is very strong in one direction or another.